I bought a drone, guys. Alright guys, so I bought a drone almost a week ago. I bought the Parrot Bebop 1. It was $150. It's a really awesome drone, guys. So I think I'm gonna do like sort of like a review slash video on it. So yeah, let's get started. So the Parrot Bebop is a drone that you control through your smartphone, and you can use a controller with it, but I didn't buy one. So it captures 1080p videos, 14 megapixel photos, which I probably won't ever use. But what it actually does is it takes 180-degree video with this lens, and then it crops it in. It has no distortion on it, which I really like. A lot of these like action camera type things have a lot of distortion, so it just saves me a lot of time to not have to undistort it. The picture looks amazing, especially with a lot of tweaking in Hitfilm. So when you color grade everything, it looks amazing. And yeah, it was also super cheap. It was only $150. I bought it refurbished on Amazon. So other than that, let's take it outside and we're gonna go and fly it. Alright guys, so we're outside right now. We're gonna start flying this thing. So we're gonna connect it to my phone, and then once we get it connected to my phone, we'll start flying. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna face it that way. And yeah, I'm gonna be in the bottom corner, and it'll be full screen in this.